Most Australian businesses are losing customers on Google every day. Local Rank AI helps you rank higher locally without paying huge agency fees. Businesses in the local top 3 get 6 to 8 times more clicks than those below position 7. Your competitors are showing up on Google Maps while your business stays invisible. This means lost calls, lost trust, and lost revenue every single week. Every day you wait could cost you between $60 and $600 in lost revenue. Local Rank AI is your personal AI-powered Google Business Profile Strategist. It audits your profile, writes content, manages reviews, and guides your rankings, all inside ChatGPT. This is a 24/7 digital marketing consultant. The process is simple. Run your audit and find the gaps in minutes. Then, follow weekly AI tasks to track progress and improve your local rankings over 6 to 8 weeks of consistent effort. The first session takes 30 to 60 minutes, and every week after is only 20 minutes. The numbers make this a no-brainer. For many businesses, just one extra customer a week can generate over $21,000 in extra yearly revenue. Our investment is only $597, giving you a 3,000% return on investment. You're getting a complete AI-powered local SEO system with audits, AI writing tools, competitor analysis, templates, and weekly workflows, valued at over $9,500. This includes unlimited AI sessions and unlimited Google post and review response writing. Local Rank AI works for almost every Australian local business, from trades and health clinics to cafes, gyms, retailers, and professional services. All 4,024 Australian Google Business Profile categories are supported. There's virtually no risk. Try it for 30 days, and if it's not for you, you get a full refund. This includes a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 90-day results commitment. Founding members lock in the lower yearly price of $597 Australian dollars forever before the price increases to $797. You get instant access and can start improving rankings from day one. You save $200 every renewal and $2,000 plus lifetime. Your competitors are already ranking on Google Maps. The only question is, will customers find them first or find you? Get Local Rank AI for $597 Australian dollars per year now.